Good morning, students. This is Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School, Himmatpur Block, and I'm a computer science teacher. Students, I hope you have purchased a book now. And in today's video lecture series, I would be discussing a small chapter that is on Introduction to ICT or Information and Computer Technology, where I would be dealing with you about what is ICT, what is the role and impact of ICT, what are the tools that we are using in ICT. So all these topic I'm going to wrap up by today itself. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start. Introduction to ICT, which is a very small chapter, and I'm trying to cover up today itself. So in this chapter I would be covering these three topics, that are information and communication technology, role and importance of ICT, and ICT tools that you are using for this technology. So what do you understand by ICT? Well, the acronym for ICT is Information and Communication Technology. Well, this is a very common word these days, and you all are familiar because most of you are using computers, mobile devices, and using internet facility to communicate and share computer resources, some valuable information, among others. So it consists of different type of devices, hardware devices like computers, a computer system, network components like modems, like wireless printers, application that we are using, browsers, then messengers, social networking sites, and the system which may be of different types like computers, mobile devices, like tablets. So all these comes under this technology. So it is a combination of hardware devices with internet facilities using network components and the application that we use to share our information among each other and across the globe. So what are the role and importance of ITC? As you know, today computer is very essential. Computer and internet is very essential part of our day-to-day life. It has already came into being from a virtual network in a global village to a metropolitan cities. So there is no way left where we are not using this type of technology. So what are its role? It is used most of the places. It is uncountable. In fact, the workplace, in corporate office that we are working, like where we have day-to-day's work, official back office work, then we can use information technology in industries, in manufacturing department, in factories. We can use in different branches of a factory, in and around the district, or it may be in state level. Then you can also use this technology in educational field, as we were using ICT in our labs, we are using ICT in our classrooms. So if you check other healthcare services, different type of digital machines are there in healthcare department, like MRI scans. So those are huge machines where you have where which is based on CBT, computer based technology, where you have different type of information related to a body, related to brain. Other than MRI, there are CT scans, then sonography. So all these stuffs can be seen in a hospital management or in a healthcare department. Then if you compare different governance services in Government of India, in Ministry of uh, Human Resource, every type of government activities and the departments in research and development, we are using this technology. In business, when you start a business, if you are a partner or if you are a sole proprietor, then you need some communication among you and your customer or client. So your mobile device is one of the communication media, your computer is another communication media. So if you have internet service, if you have proper communication devices, then in your business also you can use this technology. Now, what are the tools that we are using in ICT? You are all familiar with these terms that you are seeing on the screen. Mobile phone, we all have mobile phones these days, which is very common. So in mobile phones, if you have internet facility, if you have an internet plan, and if your browser is working properly, then using different type of portal, different type of messenger services, different type of apps, you can use this technology. In tablet is a big form of mobile phone. It is similar to a palm top which comes in your hand. The screen is much wider than mobile, where you can design, where you can write documents properly, where you can do some spreadsheet work in Excel. Whereas interactive whiteboards are nothing but these are digital boards. You might have seen in our classes, they are digital boards which has a sensor in it. Using a light pen, we can use or we can access different type of applications. So that screen is a sensitive screen, which with like a touch screen that we have in a smartphone. Then e-reader is a hardware device which is solely meant for reading e-books. Like you might have heard about Kindle is a popular e-book reader. So whatever digital application is available, that can be read using e-reader. Then newspaper, these days we are using different type of digital medias in a newspaper print, and it has made production so efficient that that marketing of digital media has boosted newspaper industries. Then radios, you might be heard about FM radios, you might have heard about Akashvani. So all the radio signals from a satellite media, from an infrared radiations, all these waves can be cast through different type of hardware device, where you have different type of application or apps or programs installed, which generates these radio communication signal from one area to other area. A very common device, that is television. You all are seeing television, where you have different type of programs, where you have different type of games, serials, contest. All these communications can be done using satellites. So different type of hardware device, like your set-top box, which is a digital media, is connected to a television, which forecast or broadcast different channels, and within a second, within a moment of a click of your remote, you can access each and every application that you have subscribed for. The last one is email, which is also known as electronic mail. you all have been you all are using this technology, using different type of email services like Gmail, like Outlook Express, like Rediff Mail, Yahoo. So what you have there, you have a electronic message box where you have a recipient's email IDs, uh, where you can communicate between them by sending different type of mail messages, pictures, then audios, videos. If the picture is more than 25 MB, if your digital media is more than 25 MB, then your email account nowadays are shared with a cloud device, such as Google Drive, such as uh, Microsoft cloud device. So where your application is saved in a safe format and you can access those application anywhere across the world. So all these tools we can use using ICT. So it's a very important technology that we cannot ignore today, and we are using in our day-to-day life. So that is it for this chapter. Nothing much is there. You can go through the pages that I have shared in your Google Classroom, and in next session we would be discussing about the assessment that is given in your book. All right, so students, that is it for today. You have a great day. Bye bye.